In the hyper-competitive world of digital agencies, the difference between thriving and just surviving comes down to one thing: efficiency. Are you stuck in manual mayhem, spending hours on repetitive tasks like lead entry, reporting, and follow-ups? This manual work isn't just a nuisance, it's a bottleneck that costs you growth, profit, and team morale. Enter n8n, the open-source workflow automation platform that is revolutionizing how agencies operate. Unlike other tools, n8n gives you the power to connect virtually any app or API, allowing you to build complex, custom sequences that liberate your team from the tyranny of repetitive work. Whether you're a startup or a scaling agency, n8n is your secret weapon for high-performance operations. Why are agencies switching to n8n? First, it's cost-effective. With the self-hosted version, there are no per-task fees, making it perfect for scaling. Second, it offers total control and privacy. You keep your client data on your own infrastructure. And third, it's incredibly flexible. With built-in nodes and the ability to add custom JavaScript, there are virtually no limits to what you can automate. Let's look at a practical example: automating lead qualification and nurturing. Step 1. Set up your n8n instance. You can use the cloud for simplicity or self-host for maximum control. Step 2. Trigger your workflow. Use a webhook to capture lead data instantly from your website form. Step 3. Enrich and qualify. Automatically filter leads based on company size or industry, ensuring your team only focuses on high-value prospects. Step 4. Sync with your CRM. Instantly add qualified leads to tools like HubSpot or Pipedrive. Finally, trigger a nurture sequence and notify your team via Slack or email. What used to take hours now happens in seconds. How does it compare? While Zapier and Make are great, n8n stands out for technical teams who need deep customization and cost predictability. It's the fair code alternative that scales with you, not against your budget. Stop letting manual tasks hold your agency back. Unlock scalable growth, improve client satisfaction, and foster innovation with n8n automation. Ready to transform your agency into a streamlined machine? Check out the full tutorial and start building your first workflow today. Visit n8n.io to get started.